What led me to magic were the symbols, occultic and esoteric symbols, like veves and seals. I've always been captivated by their intricate designs and how they invoke spirit and intention. And today, I'll guide you through the process of creating your own spirit, complete with its own seal. This creation is known as a servitor. A servitor is a spirit born from your beliefs and intentions, created through a sigil. And this sigil acts as its anchor and can be charged to influence the world around you. Depending on your approach as a practitioner, your servitor can inhabit an object, a photo, a dream, or even a person. Follow me until the end of this video to see which one of my active spirits has its own unique home. What we're exploring here aligns with the principles of chaos magic. And unlike traditional magical systems, chaos magic doesn't rely on inherited patterns, symbols, languages, archetypal deities, or rigid metaphysical concepts like virtues and correspondences. Instead, it allows a magician to build a practice entirely from scratch, or even to mix elements that resonate with them personally. Now, when creating your spirit seal, be sure to be as creative and descriptive as possible. For this example, we'll be creating a sleep paralysis servitor slash spirit. Notice when creating your spirit, you do have to be extremely intentional. Give your spirit a name. Make your spirit personal to you. As you can see here, you will cause sleep paralysis. I'm telling the spirit what it will do. Assuming you already know how to create a sigil, this step should be extremely easy to you. Keep in mind, you are the practitioner. You are given the spirit life, so it is bound to you. Take note of the time of birth, the offerings that this spirit will need, the zodiac, as well as the kill switch. If you plan on banishing the spirit, how do you plan on banishing the spirit? Be mindful, you have to let the spirit know in the creation process. If you don't properly feed and care for your spirit, it will gain its own consciousness and wreak havoc in your household, and I'm sure you don't want that. So store it correctly. Now, how to grow and feed your spirit really depends on the purpose of your spirit. I suggest go ahead and ritualizing this as much as possible. Create an altar for your spirit. Say your spirit's name. Make it as personal to you as possible. Remember, your belief is pushing the spirit. I'm a huge fan of statues. So here's one of the statues I have for one of my spirits. You can utilize jewelry. Again, you can use photos. You can use a vase. Make it yours. If you enjoyed this video, support me by hitting that subscribe button. Like this video, share it, comment, and I will be back for more.